Along the shores of Lake Superior in northwestern Wisconsin, you'll find the Apostle Islands. Battered by the waves for centuries, the islands rise out of the chilly waters upon rock stilts. While adventuresome souls take kayak trips out to explore the islands and the many caves, there are a variety of boat tours that will take you out to view the islands. Our boat was dubbed the Island Queen. While not as expansive as the ocean, the Great Lakes are just that, and several large ships have gone down during the treacherous winter weather. That said, the tour we took was peaceful and uneventful in that regard, and land was never out of sight. Check out the rest of the video to get a glimpse of the views. This is a picture of an old fishing village on South Twin Island. Here are some wavy views of the lighthouse on Devil's Island. I'm not sure I'd want to go in there with a kayak, depending on how big the swells were.